Which automatic gate is right for your Brisbane property? In this quick video, we'll examine the three most common types of automatic gates: the conventional sliding gate, the cantilevered sliding gate, and the swing gate. Conventional sliding gate. If the entrance to your Brisbane property is relatively flat and doesn't slope, you may consider installing a conventional sliding gate. These gates slide along a track which is installed on top of the concrete driveway or embedded into it. Automatic sliding gates are very good with driveways with limited room to accommodate the arc of a swinging gate. These gates open by sliding back along the fence line. Sliding gates can be designed to blend in with the style of your property and can be made to look sleek. Cantilevered sliding gates. If the land where you want to install the gate slopes or is uneven or doesn't have a concrete driveway, consider an automatic cantilevered gate. These gates are solid. A cantilevered gate is installed on rollers and cannot be lifted or pulled out. A cantilevered gate is usually 1.5 times the width of the opening gate. This is to accommodate the cantilever effect. Therefore, you'll need a fence line that is longer to accommodate this type of gate. Swing gates. Swing gates are a very popular vehicle and pedestrian access and security option. There is an extensive range of colours, materials and sizes to choose from when it comes to swing gates. An automated swing gate is an attractive addition to your landscaping, home and overall street appeal. Since swing gates require space to accommodate the arc of the opening gate, they are suited to properties with longer driveways. You can control how and when you close your swing gate with remote controls, keypads, swipe access cards and other options. If you're still unsure about the best automatic gate for your Brisbane property, contact the experts today. Call us on 3477 9898 to arrange to chat with one of our friendly professionals.